Hey guys, if you are seeing this video, then the video before it is me actually adding color to my hair in a little peekaboo kind of setting, using a foil technique that I used to use in the salon on clients. It's just a little bit more sloppily done when you're doing it yourself on yourself. So that is the Eva NYC Main Magic 3 or 10-in-1. It's like a hair oil basically. It keeps my hair from being super dry and frizzy, and yeah, I lose hair like crazy anyway. So I am using the Conair hair treatment thing that I got from Influenster a while back as a like test out thing. I really do enjoy it. So I figured why not use it to get my hair dry, and then you guys can see what the finished color looks like. Also, just so you know, in the other video where I'm coloring my hair, there's actually a giveaway in it, so you will have to go watch that to find the giveaway, because I kind of hid it in the video. So anyways, I'm going to play some music. Everything is sped up 1.5 times, and you guys get to watch me blow my hair dry with this neat little contraption and how I do it, because I've had people ask me to do it at like a little bit of a slower speed, but I didn't want you guys sitting here for 30 minutes watching me blow dry my hair. So I did mute the sound on it, and you get to see basically everything I did and how I do it. And if you're curious about this, then I will link it in the description box below, and I will come talk to you at the end. So can you see the peekaboo color in my hair now that it is dry? I know my hair is dark, but you should be able to see it. I know I can see it, but the question is, can you guys see it? Can you see what I did, where I did it, how it works? It's mainly at the ends of my hair, and this little hair tool here like does an amazing job of like smoothing my hair out, and it stays like perfect for several days after I use it. I really enjoy that product. I am very glad that Influenster sent it to me. I'm even more glad that they sent me the hair color that they did so that I could test that out as well. And yes, I did just move you guys onto the counter so that you could see the hair color a little bit better, because I don't have my ring light in the bathroom when I was filming this. I had just gotten back from New York, and you should be able to see the color in the hair. I don't think the flash on my phone works any better to show it. I think you could see it just fine without it. And I haven't augmented the brightness or light or anything of these video clips, or done anything with the color. So you should be able to see, if you notice there's like hints of red, that's what you should be seeing. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below, and hopefully you enjoyed watching me blow dry my hair. I mean, I know it's not very scintillating, so just enjoy the song that I picked. So yeah, I will see you guys later. Don't forget about the giveaway in the other video. I'll leave it linked down below. Bye.